Yeah, good morning, friends. So today it's 6th of Jan 2025, and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for short term is as follows. So as we know that Nifty 50 futures was trading at around 24,100 on on 4th of November 24, and since last couple of months it has been within the same range. Yeah, last session it ended at 24,092. So that shows that broadly the index are in a broad consolidation zone with high volatility in between. Technically, on positional note, trading below 25,000 levels, the index bias remains under pressure with a crucial support at around 23,000, 22,800 for this series. That will be the first crucial support above which the downside is capped. And since last week, we have been saying that trading over and above 23,500, 23,750 mark, the index can witness a pullback and can test the highs of 24,250, and which once held can even attempt higher levels of 24,850. So we continue to hold the same outlook even for this week. Trading over and above 23,500 mark, Nifty futures bias will remain range to pull back with the immediate hurdle at around 24,250, which need to be held for at least couple of sessions in order to see a fresh buying interest come short covering, which can take the index towards 24,850, 25,000 zone, which remains the major resistance for this series as a whole. So overall, one can expect range bound consolidation with range to pullback outlook over and above 23,500 and immediate hurdle at around 24,240 50 levels. For the day today, 23,950 and 23,840, these are the important levels where dips can be looked for buying, keeping a stop of 50 odd points, while resistance remains at around 24,300 and 24,450 levels for intraday. As per the weekly OI data for the 9th of Jan expiry, the maximum call buildup is at around 25,000 and the maximum put buildup is at 23,000. So that's a broad zone range which, as per the OI data, we are getting. For this series as a whole, as mentioned, trading over and about 23,500 remain range to positive. For Bank Nifty futures, which ended last week at 51,259, since June 24, it has been within a range of 50,000, 54,000 mark. But within this range, the immediate hurdle remains at around 25,200, 52,500, 53,000 zone. So trading below 52,500, 53,000 zone, Bank Nifty remains range to slightly down with a crucial support at around 50,000, 49,500 zone. For this week, we are still expecting that this range can continue and the index can be within this range with slightly downside bias, trading below 52,500, 53,000 zone. So there is no breakout signals on this charts as of now. Even as per the data, we can see that yes, the bias is range to doubt, but the breakdown is not expected soon. For intraday players, Bank Nifty futures 50,750 and 50,400. These are the important levels where buying will be looked, and 51,900 and 52,300. These are the important resistance levels where one can look for selling, keeping a stop of 100 points. Bank Nifty monthly OI data indicates again a range of 50,000 and 52,000 as per the call and put build up. So this range breakout will give a further signal and direction of the index in short term. If we see a sector basis analysis, then Nifty Infra Index, which is trading at 8590 levels, holds range to up outlook. In Nifty Infra segment, uh, which ended last week at 8590 levels, 8250 and 9000 can be the broad range. And within this segment, we are relatively positive on cement and oil gas sectors. Nifty IT Index again remains a range bound to pressure. Infosys is one of the bet which we are looking for buy on dip and sell on rise outlook. Infosys short term support is at around 1900 and the resistance is around 1980. The breakout and breakdown of this zone will give a further direction. So it's at a make or break point. Initially, dips will be looked for buying. Same for Nifty Auto. We have seen some decent buying interest last week. Current price is 24,000 for Nifty Auto Index. We believe that it can attempt towards 25,000 mark. So fresh buying can be looked on dips in Nifty Auto. Nifty Pharma, which is trading at 23,300 levels, has a support at around 2270, over which the bias remains positive, but we believe that it is trading into an overbought zone, and with a strong price resistance between 24,000 25,000 zones. So as per the technicals, we believe that Nifty Pharma on pullback towards 5 to 7% upside should be looked for profit taking. The sector can enter into a time and price consolidation thereafter. So that's all from my end. Thank you.